cheese have races? Does that sound possible? Maybe not. But Billy will tell you how cheeses can actually race.
자, 치즈가 경주를 한다고 하네요. 자, 어떻게 된 일일까요? 자, 사한 학생이 어떻게 치즈가 경주를 하는지 발표하겠습니다. 자, 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.
Hello, I'm Billy. Have you ever heard about cheese racing? It's pretty unfamiliar, isn't it? When I saw this festival on my speaking table, it was very interesting. So, I want to introduce cheese racing to you. First, I'll talk about how to play this. Second, the history of this. And third, people who participate in it. First, the rule of this game is very simple. Just roll the cheese at the top of the hill and chase after the cheese. That's all. But you should be careful. Sometimes people could get hurt by a wheel of cheese because cheese can roll faster than 100 kilometers per hour. Second, this festival began hundreds of years ago. Two possible origins have been proposed for it. First is said that it evolved from a requirement for maintaining bragging rights. The second is said that the second proposal is pagan origins and for the custom of rolling objects down the hill. It is said that bundles of burning brushwood were rolled down the hill to represent the birth of New Year after winter. Lastly, this festival is traditionally by a people who lived at local village of rockers, but now people from all over the world participate in it. So the Guardian Code is the world's famous event, and a 27-year-old American and a 39-year-old Japanese, each one of 4 races. People wear different funny costumes. For example, some people wear tooth, Superman, or even cow costumes. Even some people are almost naked. I really want to go to Cooper's Hill and take part in it. I am really confident that I'll win. How about you? Are you ready to enjoy cheese racing? Thank you for listening.